Hello, welcome back. Took me bloody hard on off. Oh, I've done that wrong, haven't I? Sick to death of the COVIDs, sick to death of the US presidential elections, sick to death of government lack of action. There you go. Watch me get this chassis restored. That sounds like much more fun. Okay. I say okay at the beginning of every single one of these clips, and I've got to stop fucking doing that. I've got to stop saying right as well. And I've got to stop doing this. That's the side curtain, which comes down to there. So the side piece, the window channel is up here. Can you see that? I don't know, can you see that? Let's go back a little bit further. There we are. Right, so the window channel goes in up here. Oh, fucking... Sorry, let's do that again. Fucking thing. Right. Stop. And I was going to say something else then. Oh yes, if you want to contact me. Here it goes. churchhouseclassics@gmail.com. And that's me. It's all one word, by the way. I did that wrong, didn't I? I was distracted because there's this rat just ran across the yard out here. Big bastard too. Welcome back. It's another episode of Bob and bad hair. COVID hair, I think we should call it. Anyway, if you like this kind of stuff, if you don't, comments down below. If you want to help and support the channel, there's a PayPal me link thing scrolling along here. All donations are gratefully received and personally thanked as well. No obligation. I do this for shits and giggles. Alright, let's do that again. I'll dirty that out. Oh, fuck. Oh my goodness. Oh. That mixed with some petrol fumes. Oh. God's teeth. That's revolting. Oh, that was revolting. You dirty bastard. And it's another day of Bob. Right, okay, Bob, what are you talking about, Richard? Good Lord, it's another episode of Haggis. I hope you enjoy this kind of stuff. If you want to contact me, Church House Classics, it is all one word, @gmail.com. If you want to buy me merch, why would you want to buy me merch? Okay, doing the HT leads, I've put the new vacuum advance on. I've repositioned the fucking hell, it's been silent for the last half an hour and the boys kick off. Oh, welcome back to a rather chilly workshop with my flat cap on. Found it. My missus found it actually. It was under a big pile of crap in the house. I don't know how it got there, but anyway, got my flat cap back. If you like this kind of stuff, if you don't, you can't turn it off. If you want to contact me, Church House. No, that's wrong, Richard. You see, you did that wrong. So I don't really know when I'm going to get the hinges. They should come in the next week or two. I don't know if you found this, but working on cars, old cars, there's some supply chain issues at the moment. Now, I've seen things in the 5-second glance at the news, which is more than I often give it, to be honest. That things like container shipments from China. Thank you, China, for I'm not going to cut that. Fuck you. Good Lord, it's another episode of Bob. And in this particular episode, I am battling with alignment of the body frame. If you like this kind of stuff, dirty hands up. If you don't like this kind of stuff and you find yourself you cannot turn it off, then I'm very pleased you watch it. Give me a thumbs down. If you want to comment, Church House. Done that fucking wrong, boy, haven't you? Done it wrong. You need a script, innit? Flipping egg. It's another episode of Bob. If you like this kind of stuff, I'm going to put my hat on properly now. If you like this kind of stuff, give me a thumbs up. helps the channel. Subscribe too, helps the algorithms. Don't like it, you can't turn it off, and I can't stop you. Give me a thumbs down. If you want to tell me why, comments below the video. Also, you can contact me, churchhouseclassics@gmail.com. It's all one word, I believe. I might have done that wrong, but never mind, I'm sure you can work it out. Twat. Fucking bastard thing. Piss off, pigeon. So in a nutshell, alternator, power steering pump, water pump need to come off. Then the front cover comes off. Crankshaft needs to come off. Crankshaft pulley needs to come off. And then I should be able to get access to the end of the Thank you for your contribution, Richard. Thank you so much. I'll replace the fuck's sake. I'll replace the water pump gasket. Blimmin' heck. It's another episode of Bob. More body frame stuff, I'm afraid, folks. Might be a bit of painting in this one. I don't know. I'll have to look. Sorry. It's really fucking useless, that was, wasn't it? I'm going to do that again. Fucking radio's on. It's another episode of Bob. Well, what else did you expect? Keep watching. Give me a thumbs up. Thumbs down if you absolutely must. Subscribe. Comments down below. If you want to contact me, churchhouseclassics@gmail.com. And if you fancy buying me a pint, supporting the channel, etc. I say etc. That was quite rude. None of that cunting well videoed. Right, that was a fail already, wasn't it, Richard? Let's move the camera around after we've started it. Hello, and welcome to a particularly fine mid-August Sunday morning. And yes, it's 13 degrees. Don't you love the weather in this country? Anyway, this short video feature, is all about stag and Range Rover indicator and hazard light circuits. Hazard light circuits. Oh, battery's about to go flat. Fucking thing. Sometimes just pulling the switch in and out a dozen times cleans things up. Really should take that off there, shouldn't I? I've only ever just noticed that. Oh my God. Yeah, right. Been pissing around with the door. I had to take the window frame out again because I've been messing around with the privacy lock. And what I've done is I've configured the only one of this style of locks I've got to be the same as the driver's door. Okay, so that now was working. Oh, come on, you fucker. Oh, key's not gone in, that's why. Come on. Was working. Works. We'll do that again. There's not been a truck go past for about the last 10 minutes. I thought, I'll do a quick intro. Arc it in. Right, okay, Saturday morning, where are we? We're here. Well, welcome back. Well, let's utilise the 10% battery we've got left to go for a ride around the block. The road is fucking flooded, which isn't ideal. But it could be worse, I guess. So what I'll do is I'll waste my 10% of battery time shifting this pallet around, which Les very kindly brought over from yesterday. Oh my God! Heavy pallet, man. Right. Oh, we're down to 8% already, I guess. I'm going to have to do that without the fucking music on, aren't I? What a tool. And there it is. It's off. Right, I think before I go too much further, I'm going to give it a damn good clean up because it's covered in